Hello, my nickname is Mapagi. In this time, I will show the reset password like this padlock. This padlock, you can see the all area in your life. In this time, this padlock set the password 000 like this. Hold down lock key and shake first dial. This padlock locked. Open. First of all, you check some key of lock key like this, and next you check some hole like this on your body. This time start reset password. First of all, hold up your lock key and rotate and pick direction like this. Lock key and hold pick the direction exactly and press down your key. Lock key rise down in your hole, and next time reset password 777. For example, another time you can reset password your own birthday or phone number and so on. In this time I set password 777, and next time release your pressing. Hold down your lock key and shake your first dial and second dial or third dial, and then your padlock locked. New password from new password 777. Release your padlock. This method is very easy. Next time I will show another item of new videos. Thank you.